Children, we are reading about pollution of water. All of you have studied water is a natural resource. It is used for the welfare of the people. We can use water for drinking, for irrigation, for various purposes. So it is useful for our welfare. We can say water is a natural resource. But we are facing the problem of scarcity of water. Why we are facing problem of scarcity of water? We are facing this problem due to increase in population. As you know, children, India is the second most populous country in the world. And due to increase in population, consumption of water has increased, and due to consumption of increase in water, we have faced the problem of scarcity of water. Next reason is due to increase in industries and due to agricultural needs and due to poor rainfall. Due to poor rainfall, we are facing scarcity of water. Why this rainfall is poor? Due to deforestation. Deforestation means excessive cutting down of trees. Okay, all these are the causes of scarcity of water. All of you know, children, about 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. But still we are facing the problem of scarcity of water. Water is existing in the form of solid, liquid or gas. In the mountain you will see water is present in the form of solid. In water bodies like river, pond, lake, etc., water is present in the liquid form. And in the atmosphere, water is present in the gaseous form, in water vapor form. Now you will see, children, in this chapter we will read about the pollution of water. As you know, children, next to air, water is the most important thing for the survival of all living organisms, all plants, animals, including human beings. They require water for their survival. So it is of prime concern to check the pollution of water. Now what is pollution of water? Pollution of water means change in the normal property of water due to presence of some foreign material. Okay? If the normal property of water changes due to presence of some foreign material in it, the water is said to be polluted. You know, children, pollution is derived from a Latin word, pollutionem, which means to make dirty. Now, you will see, children, what is water pollutant? Substances that cause pollution in water. Foreign material that causes pollution in water is called water pollutant. Water has the ability to dissolve a large number of substances in it. It is called universal solvent because it may dissolve solid, liquid and gas in it. If you add sugar and salt in water and you stir it, it is dissolved in water. Similarly, when you squeeze lemon juice, it is mixed with water. It can dissolve liquid. All of you know, children, aquatic life is existing in river or pond. How? Due to presence of oxygen in water. So water can dissolve oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. When you drink cold drinks, you open the bottle, you listen the sound. Why? Because of presence of carbonic acid. Carbon dioxide is dissolved, and so you can say that water can dissolve solid, liquid and gas. So it is called universal solvent. Due to this property, water is contaminated. Now, how can you recognize द प्रेजेंस ऑफ पॉल्यूटेंट इन वाटर। आप कैसे पहचानेंगे कि पॉल्यूटेड वाटर है? ठीक है बच्चों, तो अगर नॉर्मल प्रॉपर्टी वाटर का चेंज हो जाए तो हम कह सकते हैं कि ये पॉल्यूटेड वाटर है। जैसे कैसे चेंज होगा? अगर वाटर का टेस्ट चेंज हो जाए, वाटर का कलर चेंज हो जाए, वाटर में कोई स्मेल रहे, या वाटर में फिशेस का नंबर कम हो जाए, या वाटर के सरफेस पर ऑयल या ग्रीस फ्लोट करे, और अगर पानी में एक्वेटिक वीड्स बढ़ जाए तो हम कह सकते हैं कि ये वाटर पॉल्यूटेड वाटर है। तो हाउ यू विल रिकॉग्नाइज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ पॉल्यूटेंट इन वाटर? हाउ कैन यू रिकॉग्नाइज इफ देयर इज एनी offensive odor in water? Offensive odor means bad smell in water. If there is any color in water, if there is any bad taste in water, or if the number of fishes reduce in water, and if the number of aquatic weeds increase in water, or if oil or grease float on the surface of water, then water is said to be polluted water. ओके चिल्ड्रन, तो इस तरह से हम समझ सकते हैं कि वाटर पॉल्यूटेड है। ठीक है बच्चों, अब हम देखेंगे कि व्हाट आर द कॉजेज ऑफ पॉल्यूशन ऑफ वाटर। किस वजह से पानी में प्रदूषण होता है? तो फर्स्ट कॉज इज ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी। आदमी के क्रियाकलाप से बहुत से लोग जाते हैं, नदी में नहाते हैं, कपड़ा धोते हैं, डिटर्जेंट यूज करते हैं, बहुत सारे लोग अपने कैटल को नहलाते हैं पानी में। तो ये सारा ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी जो है ये वाटर को कंटामिनेट करता है। तो ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी में कंटामिनेट वाटर। मैनी पीपल दे टेक बाथ इन वाटर और दे यूज डिटर्जेंट इन रिवर एंड पॉन्ड एंड दे टेक एनिमल्स for bathing in pond water and they pollute water. Next cause of pollution is industrial waste. Sometimes the waste of industries are discharged in river, pond, etc. And these things pollute water because they contain chemicals. Similarly, agricultural waste. In the agriculture, farmers use pesticides, fertilizers, etc. to increase production of crops. And these pesticides and fertilizers, they are dissolved in underground water. They are mixed with underground water. Since they contain chemical, they also cause pollution in water. Similarly, children, you should know that pollution of water is caused by acid rain also. You have read about acid rain. How acid rain is caused? A number of vehicles are moving on the road and they release oxides of nitrogen. And in the thermal power station, sulfur containing coal is burned that releases sulfur dioxide in water. And this NO2 and SO2, they dissolve in water vapor. They get mixed with rainwater and they form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. This rainwater containing sulfuric acid, nitric acid, carbonic acid is called acid rain. And when this acid rain is added to water body, they affect the aquatic life. So you have seen that acid rain may cause pollution in water. Sometimes domestic sewage is added to river, pond, etc. and they also pollute water. So these are the causes of pollution of water. Now you will see children about the potable water. What is potable water? Children, when you go to school, when you go to market, sometimes you carry water bottle with you. Why do you carry water bottle? Because you want to remain healthy, you don't fall to sick, you don't want to fall sick. If you will drink contaminated water, you may suffer from waterborne diseases like jaundice, typhoid, cholera, etc. So you carry water bottle with you, because this water bottle contains drinking water. Water that is fit for drinking is called पोटेबल वाटर. पानी जो पीने के लायक होता है, पीने के लिए सूटेबल होता है, उसको ड्रिंकिंग वाटर को हम लोग पोटेबल वाटर कहते हैं. ठीक है बच्चों. और अगर हम कहीं का भी पानी पी लें तो पता चलता है कि जॉन्डिस हो गया, कोलरा हो गया, टाइफाइड हो गया, ये सारे वाटर बॉर्न डिजीज हो जाते हैं अगर हम कंटामिनेटेड वाटर पीते हैं. तो पोटेबल वाटर का मतलब होता है ऐसा पानी जो पॉल्यूटेड नहीं है और पीने के लायक है. तो व्हाट आर द पैरामीटर्स ऑफ पोटेबल वाटर? हाउ कैन यू से दिस वाटर इज पोटेबल वाटर? इफ द वाटर इज कलरलेस, odorless, odor means smell, tasteless, then we can say this water is potable water. Some other properties are also there. If water does not contain suspended impurities in it, if water does not contain microorganisms in it, if water is free from microorganisms, if water is free from suspended impurities, and if water is free from chemicals, then this water is suitable for drinking. So all these are the parameters of drinking water. It is called potable water. Parameters of potable water. Okay children? Thank you children.